Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to check out the difference between list and tuples. So we know that list and tuples are concept in Python to manage sequence data types. So first is list are defined using square bracket, tuples are defined using round bracket. We'll check out. So if you want to define a list, we have to use square bracket. So we'll list of even numbers 4, 6, 8, 10. So if you want to define tuple, we have to use round bracket. Same variable only we are keeping, same values only we are keeping. So we'll print list, comma, print tuple. We'll run this code. We are getting list and tuples. So lists are defined using square bracket, tuples are defined in round bracket. Next is the main point. Lists are mutable, tuples are immutable. Mutables means we can change. So list value we can change, but tuples value we can't change. We'll check it out. So I'm planning to change first value, that is 0, 0 in the list. We'll check out the result. So wow, we are changing the value, right? So 2 is replaced with 0. The first value we change. Same way we want to second value 0. It's also working. The second value is 0. The same operation we are planning to do in tuple, then the first value we have to change to 0. We'll see what will happen. See, we are getting an error. Tuple object does not support atom assignment. So we cannot change that value. So that means tuples are immutable. Lists are mutable, but tuples are immutable. That's the concept. So next is list having many built-in methods. Since list is mutable, list having additional functionality like insert, sort, pop-up, pop, like that. Lot of built-in functions are there, but tuples does not have so much data because we can't insert, we can't change, or we can't append in tuples. We'll check it out that. We will sort up list. We'll check out list dot sort. Sort, we need to change the value. Sort is working, right? Let's fill print before sorting and after sorting the list. So this is the before sorting and this after sorting. The sort is working with list correctly, but we'll do the same thing with tuple. Tuple object does not have an attribute sort. So same way, insert also we can try. Let's insert to position third. I need to add value 12. We'll check out that. 12 is appended. But the same way we are trying to do with tuple, what will happen? We'll check it out. Tuple object does not support insert. So a lot of built-in functionality it will not support. Since it's mutable, is immutable, it will not support. So that concept you understood. There will three things we discussed. We are defined using square bracket, that is round bracket, mutable, immutable, lot of built-in function like insert, sort, Next is list having variable length and tuples have fixed length. So we'll check out with length. This is list and this is sub tuples. So we'll print list, length of list, and length of tuple. So both are 5 only. Then I am plan to insert a value to the list. Insert the second portion will add 100 and we'll check out the list again. We change it to 6, right? Length of list is 6. But when we want to change to tuple, we can't change the tuple. So tuple length is always same. So since tuple is immutable, the length of tuple is always fixed. Once it is defined, it is fixed. If it is 5, always it is 5. But list, it will change 5, 6, 7, 4 or something like that based on the operation we are doing. Then list are less memory efficient than tuples, but tuples are more memory efficient than list. So that one we'll check it out. We know that tuple are immutable. So the size of the both tuple and list will be different. We'll check the size. We'll print the size of list first. List node size of list and we'll print the size of tuple. So both are different, right? We'll use same data and we'll check, right? The list is taking 104, but tuple is 64. So for the managing memory and operation based on the operation, because tuple is having fixed length, right? So operation and memory management are a little bit faster. So when we are operating with big amount of data, tuples are more efficient than list. So lists are less memory efficient than tuples, but tuples are more memory efficient than list. So in the case of memory efficient, tuples are best option. So when we are handling bigger data, we have to use tuples. Hope you understood the key difference between tuples and list. If you have any suggestion, please add in the comment section so that I can work out on that. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.